Hello and welcome to how to grow geraniums from seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available online or at garden stores. The reverse of the packet shows the growing times and growing conditions for your region. Step 2. Plant the seeds in a propagator tray. A propagator tray is a shallow tray with a transparent lid which is ideal for germinating seeds. First, fill the tray with compost. Gently press it down to remove any air pockets. And then, before planting the seeds, give the compost a good watering. Next, take the seeds from the packet and place them evenly on the surface of the compost. The seeds aren't too small and are easy to place with your fingers. Try to place the seeds about an inch apart from each other. Now cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost and then gently press it down. Next, fit a label and then fit the transparent lid. Step 3. Keep the seeds moist and keep them at a temperature of about 20 degrees C. Here I'm keeping them in a south-facing room in my house. Step 4. Within a couple of weeks the seeds will begin to germinate. At this point, remove the lid of the propagator tray. Keep the seeds in a bright place, but not in direct sunlight. Step 5. When the seedlings have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. First fill a pot with compost, and then water it, and then make a hole in the middle of the compost using your finger or your thumb. Before transplanting the seedlings, give them a good watering. Hold the seedling by its leaf and then try to remove as much root as possible. Place the root in the compost and then gently press around it to firm it into position. Next, give the plants a good watering to establish them in position. Keep warm and watered and the plants will begin to mature. Step 6. Once the risk of any frost has passed, it's time to plant outside. First dig your soil, removing any stones and weeds. Next, mark out your planting positions. I'm leaving a gap of 10 inches between plants. Give the plants a good watering before transplanting them. Dig a small hole in the soil, large enough to accommodate the roots in the pot. Carefully remove the plant from the pot. You should be holding it by the leaf here, not by the stem as I am doing, as you're in danger of breaking it. Now firm the soil around the plant roots. Finally, give the plant a good watering to soak it into position. Step 7. Keep watered and weed free and the plants will begin to grow quite rapidly. Step 8. Within a few weeks the first flowers will begin to appear. Keep deadheading the flowers and you'll have a beautiful display throughout the summer. Here's a plant I planted in a pot. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel where there are plenty more gardening videos. Thank you and goodbye.